welcome back to another episode of Healthy Vegan Living. I'm John, and while our fearless leader Gary is busy with NaNoPodMo, I'm here with the beautiful Samantha to dive into a classic vegan treasure.
Hey, John. Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about Episode 72, Series 3, the McDougall Health-Supporting Cookbook Volume 2.
That's right. And for those who are wondering, Gary's participating in NaNoPodMo this month. Just like NaNoWriMo, where folks write a 50,000-word novel in November, NaNoPodMo has us creating one podcast every day for the month of November.
While Gary is knee-deep in scripts and recordings, we're here to keep the podcast fun and informative.
So, Samantha, what makes the McDougall Health-Supporting Cookbook, Volume 1 a must-have, even in 2024?
For starters, the recipes are incredibly easy to follow and focus on simple, easy-to-find ingredients. It's like Mary McDougall knew we'd all be juggling busy lives and needed straightforward, nutritious options.
Absolutely. Plus, the variety is fantastic. There are recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, ensuring we never run out of ideas for healthy and delicious meals.
And let's not forget the clear explanations of each recipe's health benefits and the helpful tips for meal planning and preparation. It's like having a nutritional coach right in your kitchen.
Speaking of kitchens, remember when I tried to make the baked tofu recipe and ended up with tofu croutons?
Oh yes, your infamous tofu croutons. At least they were crunchy and full of protein.
True. And despite my cooking mishaps, the book is so well organized that even I can follow along without too much trouble.
Organization is key. The recipes are laid out clearly, and the ingredient lists are concise and straightforward, which makes meal prep much easier.
Although this book is from 1985, it's still incredibly relevant. The McDougall Program hasn't changed much because it works. The principles of healthy, starch-based eating are timeless.
Yes, it's like a classic movie that never goes out of style. Whether you're a new vegan or a seasoned one, this cookbook has something for everyone.
You know, Sam, if Mary McDougall were a vegetable, what do you think she'd be?
I'd say she'd be a sweet potato, nourishing, versatile, and loved by all.
Perfect. And Dr. McDougall would be a hearty lentil, packed with protein and always reliable.
Together, they'd make the ultimate power couple of the plant-based world.
That's right. Their superpower is turning any meal into a health-boosting feast. The McDougall Health-Supporting Cookbook, Volume 2, paperback published on January 1, 1986 by Mary A. McDougall. This cookbook features 250 recipes for starch-based foods, including pasta, grains, fruits, and vegetables, that are best for supporting health.
Product details. Publisher, New in Pub, January 1st, 1986. Language, English. Paperback, 157 pages. ISBN 10-0832904228. ISBN 13-978-0832904226. Amazon Multiple Reviews. Volume 2 offers a suggested 100-day meal plan to help you explore various menu ideas. The menus for these meals can be found in either Mary McDougall's Volume 1 or Volume 2 cookbooks, and they are both easy to follow and uncomplicated. Dr. McDougall's program has seen minimal updates since this cookbook was first written, highlighting its timeless effectiveness. This book is an excellent how-to companion to his health-supporting program, making it an indispensable resource for anyone committed to a starch-based diet. Whether a new vegan or a seasoned one, this cookbook provides practical, straightforward guidance to enhance your healthy eating journey.
My opinion, As someone who follows the McDougall Program, I was thrilled to get my hands on the McDougall Health-Supporting Cookbook, Volume 2. This cookbook continues to offer the same comprehensive guide and easy-to-follow recipes as Volume 1 but with even more delicious and nutritious options. The recipes are diverse, covering breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. They all use simple, easy-to-find ingredients. I appreciate the clear explanations of each recipe's health benefits and the helpful tips for meal planning and preparation. One of my favorite aspects of this cookbook is its organization. The recipes are easy to follow, and the ingredient lists are clear and concise. Additionally, since the recipes are specifically designed for the McDougall Program, sticking to my healthy eating goals is effortless. This cookbook is an invaluable resource for anyone committed to the McDougall Program.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Even though this book is outdated, it's a beautiful, timeless cookbook.
Well, that's all we have for today's episode. We hope you're inspired to revisit the McDougall Health-Supporting Cookbook, Volume 2, or grab a copy if you haven't yet. Until next time, stay healthy and enjoy your vegan journey.
Bye,
everyone. Don't forget to tune in to episode 75 of Nanopod Day Number 1, the Cowspiracy movie. And remember, folks, we're here every day in November for Nanopod Mo, bringing you the best in vegan living.
Tune into episode 73, Series 4. The McDougall Program for a Healthy Heart. Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch from the album Mononymous. My disclaimer, I aim for accuracy and embrace continuous learning. This content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician.